MCAT is the hardest exam you will ever take in your life. From a mid students that will be a doctor in today's. It's not like the MCAT is rocket science. It's actually biology, biochemistry, physics, general chemistry, verbal reasoning, psychology, physiology. The point is, it's not that the material is too difficult. It's the pressure. The MCAT is the brick wall that separates you from your dreams of become. If you cannot break through the wall, you cannot be a doctor. So yes, it did take me 2 times to break through, and no, I am here to motivate you. Follow me to go from this side to this side.